This is Emily Valero, Product Line Director for AutoSense SMS. Here we are introducing the SMS and the SMS, a smart motor sensor and a smart load sensor. The smart motor sensor is a device for conditioning-based monitor and predictive maintenance of electrical motor. The SMS is a sensor of sensors that is collecting information from vibrations, temperature, speed, and magnetic field. We are sending this data to the cloud, and then in the cloud we are making our analytics. That mainly this analytics is based on creating a model of the electrical motor. This model is creating during the first week of the performance of the SMS attached to the motor. This model is able to detect in the future if the motor is experiencing one of the 9 typical failure modes that the motor can have. We are able to detect mechanical faults and electrical faults, and we are able to detect as well the severity of the fault and how needs to be fixed this fault. And we are sending this information to the customer, normally the maintenance team or the production team. We are sending this information by our mobile app or by our web platform, and as well the customer can plot the information about vibrations, temperature, speed, and other parameters that could be interesting for them. The customer can download and use our API to integrate our solution to their current platforms like cloud solutions or SCADAs or local servers. We are introducing as well the SLS, that is the smart load sensor, that working together with the SMS synchronized, it's able to detect typical faults for standard machines like pumps, fans, compressors, or bearings. We are able to detect as well typical failure modes on these machines. If you want to have more information about SMS and SLS, you can visit in our website autosense.analog.com. Thank you.